Hey guys, welcome back to Control Room. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add rounded corners to videos and images in Davinci Resolve. So let's get into that. Now here on the timeline, I have a clip which I downloaded from Pixels. It's just a lady wearing a red dress, maybe out on a picnic or something. Now, what we want to do is add rounded corners. Now to do that, let's make sure that we're on the Edit tab. And I just want to come here under Effects, right? If you can't see this effects on the top here, just come and click effects. Now for starters, I want to maybe make the video maybe just I just want to make the video a bit smaller, so let me just zoom out. Okay, some like that. I can also add maybe a background. Let me just come here under generators, and I just want to click on this paper background, maybe click on it and drag it so that we get a bit of separation between the video itself. I think I can also maybe add, let me come here under open effects, maybe a drop shadow, so that drop shadow, just double click it. As you can see, a drop shadow has been added to our video. Nice. Now make sure that the video is highlighted. We want to come here under the Fusion tab. Just click on the Fusion tab and make sure that the media in is highlighted, this media in node here. When I highlight it, there are two ways I can actually come under effects. Actually, let's just come under effects and look for a transform. So that transform. Now we're looking for this transform here. As you can see, there are a few transforms here. There's this one, but just make sure that this one with the maybe with the squares on the corners, this is the one that we're looking for. Just double click on that. And make sure that there's an image adjustment tab on the transform that you add. Now I want to come here, just click this drop down, and you see here where it says edge rounding. Now let's just pull it. As you can see, if I pull it, you can see already that the rounded corners are being added to the video, right? So you can even drag it the whole way and create a circle if you're interested in that. But let me just maybe up to here. This is the rounded corners that I need. Let me just go back to the Edit tab, and as you can see, rounded corners have been added to the video. You can also do the same to images. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Please make sure that you subscribe if you found this video helpful. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.